Paradise.
Yeah. You know what this is?
No.
It's about $5 grand.
Really?
Yeah. Man, John, I can't believe you got me this, man. Come on, hey, come on, you drinking this tonight, man.
Oh, man.
John, this John. Okay? you drink this a lot?
A lot of time, yes.
All right, so here, with John and Tyler. Okay? Man, that's look, honey, this.
I know.
That's like 500 a shot right there.
Oh my.
No way.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my God, John! Why did you?
You got good people, right?
Yeah, man. Hey, what's up, Curious? How you doing, brother?
Everybody, let's just give it up for Nate. It is his birthday. So excited for him. So before we even get in, we'll just do the basic happy birthday, man. Let's give it up to him on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nate. Happy birthday to you. Shut up. You don't get to talk. Be quiet. First up is our good friend Adam, who's been with us for a while. It's another brother from another mother. His dad was actually one of Nate's first big investors. And then Adam introduced Nate to Jim Rixey, which became one of our good friends and investors that took us for a long, helped us out a great deal, man. Helped change our lives financially and also just with wisdom. And unfortunately, Jim passed away about 3 years now, and we miss him dearly, and we miss his money dearly too. No, but Jim, man, we really appreciate Jim. We miss him a great deal. But I'm gonna let Adam take it away here. He has something special he wants to share. Let's go for it.
I had to write it down. But I figured.
It's not real.
Nope. There's only so much I can freestyle, and you don't want that. So I figured we need something a little bit entertaining, but this is all about Nate. So we're gathered here today for a birthday celebration. Nate's 40-something years old, but he's a long way from cremation. He's throwing a party at his beautiful home, catered with valets, nice plates, not styrofoam. He's all about his family. I'd like to thank them too. Nicole, Caden, London, sincerely, thank you. Nate's lovely wife, Nicole, has been for years his belle, and one day soon, it's about time to buy her a hotel.
Oh.
He's a very proud dad when it comes to London and Caden, and their names come up in every damn conversation. So what can be said about our friend Nate Barger? He doesn't drink, smoke, or eat meat. Those vices took a departure. As a kid, he flipped burgers and did stuff we can't mention, till he learned about passive income, and now that's become his pension. From suburban hotels to affordable housing, real estate adventures can include scrap metal warehousing. Nate would say yes. He's brilliant when it comes to real estate renovation, and he's pushing up rents all over the nation.
Yes,
Did you not say it?
That's Matt, man. Matt.
Push him up.
Oh, wow.
Push him up. All over the nation. Nate's
Hey, I don't want to see Matt come.
Well, your investors do. Nate's optimistic and kind. His positivity is never in doubt. And if you're short on capital, he can help you with a leverage buyout. So what do you get for the guy who has everything? I'd buy him Trump Tower, but I'd just end up over leveraging. Bentley, Viper, Ferrari, even has a Lamborghini. When it comes to cool cars, he's like Harry Houdini. Kids, that's a magician. Kids, they don't know who Harry Houdini is. So I bought him a little palm tree because it reminds me of him. Always sunny with strong roots. Nate's outlook's never grim. Nate always seeks higher knowledge. Where's he find the time to study? We need to make a drinking game for every time he says,
Hey, buddy.
hey, buddy.
I'll drink to that.
So let's raise a glass to Nate, to a man who's like no other. What can I say, Nate? I love you, brother.
This is Devo. Everybody knows Devo. This is Nate's nephew.
So I had this really long, monologue planned, but then I just got thrown on the spot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say, like, where I'm at in my life, I'd never be there without you. Really appreciate everything you've done for me, everything you've done for the family, everything that you've done for everybody here, and I'm sure they're thankful as well. But once again, just thank you for everything you do. As far as who I was 4 or 5 years ago, I couldn't imagine being in the position I am, and I definitely wouldn't be there without you.
So, my man Nate, you guys all know him, the myth, the legend, coming through. But I tell you, I've known Nate since the very beginning. Always humble, always a big heart, always strive for the stars. I love you, Nate. Happy birthday to you for another year and another 100 after it. Thank you.
Hey man, it's been a great ride, brother. I mean, we every day we dreamed of this day where we'd be in the big houses, but we always talked about how much we wanted our family to go along with the ride and how we wanted to go back and reach back to bring everybody with us. Because we knew we'd be at the top of the mountain and we didn't want to be up there all alone by ourselves. So, these are why we do the things. We don't, and especially now on social media and everything, we do that not to show off, not to brag, but to show that it is possible. Because for two guys like us, one, I'm telling you, I wasn't the brightest guy. Everybody else was much smarter than me, and they were. I share with my son, Mikey. He was getting kind of frustrated in sports, but I shared it like I told him, like, man, it's the same thing, brother. The problem is, smart people, if they don't get it the first or second or third time, they quit and they get frustrated and they just put it away. The difference with me, if somebody tells me it's possible, instead of doing it 3 times, I'm gonna do it 597 more times. On that 600 try, that's when we made it. And along the way, we learned all the right things and wrong things to do. Now for him, he learned in the hole. All right, but no, man, amazing story, brother. I mean, a friend, a partner, a student. Quite frankly, he was one of my greatest students. I mean, seriously, from the jail cell to selling dope to breaking all the way through to the family.
Dope is airheads. Airheads are dope. Airheads are totally dope.
No, man, it's just an amazing story, man. And we all, bless you, thank you. Everybody cheers to Nate. You can now speak, my friend.
Thank you, Mike.
Yeah, brother.
Hey, man, I just want to say thank you to all you guys, man. I really appreciate it. And this isn't just my birthday. This is everybody who wasn't able to celebrate their birthday. That's why I really wanted to put a party together, because it's been hard over the past year, man. And, I was worried if we get together and then, somebody gets COVID, I'm going to feel bad. But, hey, man, you should have got your shot if you were scared. That ain't on me, man. So, hey, man, let's eat some cake. And who wants to play poker? Yeah!
We just weren't trying to spend no money, man. I wanted to keep it. Then you get to a point like, well, damn, I gotta eventually do something with it. You gotta